going on, guys? Welcome back. I figured it's finally time to take this bike out for a vlog. I've been on it multiple times since I've been done with it, but I don't think I've ever actually ride it on the channel, so to speak. I guess this is it. First ride. I don't think we can call this video the first ride though, because that wouldn't be true. This would be more like the 20th ride, because I really have been riding this thing. I am currently on my way right now to the Grandview yard to Euro Bike Night on a Honda Goldwing. So I don't have a European motorcycle. I'm looking to change that actually. I just checked out a 1986 BMW K100. It's a nice looking bike, it's in good shape. There are a few cosmetic issues with it, there are a few things that I would need to address, but overall it's a nice little bike. Unfortunately, we could not agree on a price, and I can blame the guy. I mean, he knows what he has, he knows what it's worth and what he wants for it. And of course, me as the buyer, I want to be honest, I would not want to rip anybody off, but I would of course want to pay as little as possible for the bike, and I would want to be reasonable. Like I said, I would not want to rip anybody off, but I don't know. I think I'm actually gonna wait and see if he messaged me a couple days later, seeing what I think, because that happens sometimes. You look at the bike, you make an offer, but at the moment your offer is rejected, but a couple days later you get a message from the seller asking, hey, you still interested? Now, I'm not saying this is what's gonna happen in my case here, but I'd be happy if I get a message from him saying, hey, you still interested? Because I'd know that would mean that he's technically willing to work with me on the offer that I offered him. See, this is the color that I was trying to get to for this bike, this dark navy, whatever you call it. So actually Toyota has it. I'm gonna look it up, because originally I was going for a color made by Dodge called Patriot Blue, but I could never find it, because this is a rattle can job, so I had to buy the spray can premix from the auto parts store, and I could never find that color, and I had to settle for this because a few people had told me, oh yeah, it looks good, it looks whatever, but that there is the color that I was looking for. So I'm gonna look up color code for Toyota, and I see it on a 4Runner. That should help me narrow down which one it is, and I can get it. Now, I don't think I'm gonna repaint the bike. That's too much work. Who knows, maybe. You know, it would be a good idea if I could find another bike that is in terrible shape or something, but like a parts bike that has good body panels and the shelter or tank cover, whatever, and I could just take those and paint those that color. That would be nice. I actually plan on doing that for the purple Goldwing, because I had to buy a parts bike to take parts of, and I have the entire set of body panel and the tank and the fender. So I plan on painting them a totally different color, a nice crazy color. I want to make it worth my time and the money, so that way it will basically look like I have two bikes when really it's one, because it wouldn't take long to switch out the body panels from on a Goldwing like that. It's just, this thing's 4 bolts. Well, you'd have to get the seat up first, 4 bolts, swap that, and the side covers can be swapped very easily with no tools. I think the hardest one would be the fender, the rear fender, because you would have to, while the seat is off, there is a total of 3 screws and of course you got to think about the lighting back there, but it can be done in a day, actually in a few hours, so that's the plan. But anyways, back to the K100. I do wanna get a European bike, mostly BMW. These bikes are hard to come across, and when you do come across them, they do ask a pretty chunk of money for them. So it's totally fair to say that they are a little hard to come by. What happened here? Ooh, that's no good. I think that Mini Cooper and that whatever that car is, a Chevy or something, they decided to kiss. I hope everybody's okay. I hope so. I think I overshot my destination. Oh no, I did not. It's just that the road where I was gonna turn in is closed because of that accident. Ooh, bummer. Now I gotta go all the way around, and I know that road there is closed too. Damn it. So I gotta hit downtown and then come out in Greenview. Oh well, what can I do? Go back? It's okay. I think I realized what happened. I thought in my head, I kept thinking that I was going to Throttle Cove. That's what happened. Really? Am I gonna hit every light on the way there? I'm seriously hitting every light. Finally, one light that I'm not hitting. Is there something? Well, there's always something going on here. It's the Arena District. This is why I like to avoid this area. Traffic is always pretty bad over here. Oh, must be a soccer game. Yay! Is it true you can't enter here? Because I've done it a bunch of times. Okay. Am I recording?
You're recording.
All right. Thanks. Bye. All right. So, you are you want to make an entrance like you always want to do? Yeah, works for me. I don't know what that was, but it's time for me to leave. Yes, I am. And I'm not editing this out. You staying in it. Trust me. Okay. Alright guys, this is Nicole. She's gonna make an entrance. Alright, that's better. Thank you. Bye, Nicole. So you want to watch me pop a wheelie?
No.
Why not?
Weird.
It's weird? This guy is wearing the same color shirt as his bike. Did you see that?
Is that abnormal?
No, that is like so cool. Ooh. I haven't seen one in person. This is the first one. I don't know how nice of a view I'm getting here. R1800. I have to say that thing looks really shiny. I love the paint job. Really nice. Really cool. Oh, is that me? How'd you find me? Did you find the only bike that's leaking oil everywhere?
Oh, you're not the only bike that's leaking oil everywhere.
How do you know?
There's like one drop though. I'll record your record.
I had to ask Gina to make sure that I was recording, because I do that all the time. Like I'll go like half an hour talking, and then I'm like, there's not a red light there. All right. Not today. So you sure you don't want to see me popping a wheelie? Okay. Alright guys, we made it through the bike night. I think it was cool. Obviously you got to see some people, chat with some people. That's always nice. But I got to see one of the new BMW R18 in person. That thing is really nice. Really clean. I want to say I really like the look of it. Obviously I haven't been on one, so I can't say for sure how it rides, but it looks nice. It really does look nice. Back to the BMW that I talked about earlier. I think I'm going to message the guy. I think I'll wait a few days. If I don't hear from him, I will reach out to him and be like, hey, what do you think of this? And you know, up the offer a little bit. Sometimes that works, sometimes it doesn't. Yeah, that usually works, but if it doesn't, hey, that's not the only BMW that's out there for sale. I just have to actually be patient and keep looking, and probably also up my budget a little bit, because that's the big thing. As of right now, if my budget was a bit higher, I could have gotten this bike from him, but the fact that my budget's only $1,500, well, he doesn't want to sell it for $15. And thanks for checking the video out, guys. If you like it, like it. If you don't like it, hey, don't like it. And if you're riding, as always, ride safe. Oh, those bumps. And I'll see you on the next one, whenever that may be. Hopefully sooner than later. Ooh.